in 14 July 2023, the India made a history. They launched Chandrayaan 3 on the south pole of the moon. Not any country, no any country are reached on the south pole of the moon. Not even NASA also. India shocked every country and NASA from the reaching on the south pole of the moon. So my topic is mathematics, the hidden power behind the missions. Successfully navigation, landing and launching of any mission are possible by mathematics. Mathematics is deeply rooted in the any missions, space missions. Concept of physics, rocket physics, mechanism, measurement are possible by mathematics. Mathematics plays prevalent role in space missions. Let me explain you how mathematics is used in this Chandrayaan 3 mission. This is our LV-M3-M4 rocket. For making this rocket, we have to measure each and every part of the rocket: length, breadth, surface volume, everything. We have to apply measurement in this rocket. For making this rocket, we have to calculate the masses. Masses are very important for any space mission. We have to calculate moon mass, we have to calculate earth mass, we have to calculate rocket mass or our launching vehicle mass. And in the launching vehicle, we set the landers. This is a Vikram lander. We have to calculate each and every mass for any space mission, and we have to calculate the distances. We have to calculate distance earth and rocket. We have to calculate earth to moon distance. We have to calculate orbital to orbital distance. We have to calculate every orbital distances. There are too many orbitals in this path. We have to calculate each and every path orbit measurement. We have to calculate that every distance. This is possible by trigonometry. And space navigation is also possible by trigonometry. We take help trigonometry for distance measurement and navigation of the space. There is one equation, is a very important equation in the space rocket missions. That is Tsiolkov's rocket equation. That equation is delta V equals to UIM in bracket MIM. This is a Tsiolkov's rocket equation. This is a very important equation for the rocket missions. So this is my model, and we have to take a measurement, each and every measurement. And this is the earth, and this is the moon, and this is the orbits of the moon and earth. When the rocket leaves the earth, they enter in the orbit of the earthal orbiter. When they enter in earthal orbiter, there are perfectly distributed orbits. We have to take a measurement each and every orbit. When they enter in orbit, they are revolving around earth. For the changing the orbits, we have to increase the speed. When the launch vehicle increases the speed, the launch vehicle gives thrusters from their backside. This is the launch vehicle's thrusters. They give thrusters from their these sides. When they give thrusters from their backside, the speed will be increased. They give thrusters at the particular point. That's why the they can take less fuel, and their speed will be increased. We can't directly go straight on the moon. We have to take a lots of fuel for that, and we can't get a more mass for the reaching on the moon. So that's why we take this orbital path for the reaching moon very safely and in a less mass or less weight. When the rocket give thrusters, the speed will be increased, and they change this orbit step by step. When the speed is equal to the escape velocity, the rocket or launch vehicle leaves the earth orbit and enter in the moon orbit. When they enter in a moon orbit, the rocket have to decrease the speed for the landing on the moon. What happened when decrease the speed, the launch vehicle give thruster from their front side. In this earth orbit, for changing our orbits, we have to increase speed. That's why rocket gives thrusters from their back side. But in this case, rocket have to decrease the speed, so rocket gives thruster from their front side. That's why speed will be decreased, and the pressure will made in those both substance, and rocket speed will be decreased. When the speed will be when speed will be decreased, the launch vehicle come in step by step on the moon surface, and gravitation of the moon is attract the launch vehicle on the moon, and thus then our lander safely launch or land on the moon surface. And for this every information we have to take a help of computers for communicate with our lander, with our launcher. We have to take a help of computer, and computer is directly proportional, or computer have to take a help of mathematics. Computer can't work without mathematics. Computer is depend upon math, so we have to take a help of mathematics. So by this my module I have to tell you that mathematics is very important in our day-to-day life, and also is very important in the great missions or great creation, and every for making